The state-of-the-art U.S. beef plant and million-dollar beef production line are incredible examples of cutting-edge technology and innovation in the livestock and food processing industries. Modern assembly lines are equipped with automated machinery and smooth operation of robots in addition to a team of skilled and passionate technicians. American cattle are handled with the utmost care ensuring a comfortable environment and minimizing stress. Let's explore the fascinating process of raising cattle and processing beef with Mr. Machine. American beef offers many essential health benefits to humans. One of the most significant advantages of American beef is its high-quality protein content. Protein is the basic building block of the body's muscle cells and tissues. Consuming adequate protein helps maintain strong muscles and strengthens the immune system. Additionally, American beef is a great source of valuable essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B12, B6, niacin, iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients are important in maintaining heart health, nerve function, the immune system, and supporting metabolism. The giant European bull breed weighing 30,000 kilograms used for breeding and producing high-quality breeding stock for farms and businesses. A bull this size can provide 25,000 kilograms of fresh meat. Meanwhile, feed provided to livestock also plays an important role in maintaining their health and enhancing their performance. The two main feed sources used in livestock diets are ground maize and grass. Maize is a kind of animal feed rich in energy and protein, providing essential nutrients for the growth and development of animals. It is important that ground corn is easy to digest and absorb, promoting a balanced diet for livestock. Grass is the primary natural food for livestock. It provides a rich feed and contains beneficial fiber and vitamins, promotes digestion, and supports immunity. Their diet needs to be carefully considered and varied to ensure that the animals receive adequate nutrition. In addition to ground corn and grass, experts add other food sources such as bran mixed cereals, potatoes. This ensures optimal health and high productivity. The grass and corn, after being harvested and ground, will be sent to the silo for fermentation, greatly improving the nutritional content. After the fermentation process, providing feed to livestock requires the support of a feed mixer. This state-of-the-art and vital equipment in the livestock industry plays a vital role in providing a balanced diet and meeting the nutritional needs of the herd. Feed mixer combines ingredients such as stand mixer, corn, grass, bran, grain mixture, minerals to create a uniform and varied feed quality. Process ensures that the ingredients are evenly distributed in each batch, ensuring that the animals receive enough nutrition in each meal. In addition, the machine aids large-scale livestock operations, such as on farms, in reducing labor and cutting costs without compromising efficiency. Feeding should also be controlled to avoid uneven distribution of feed. This speeds up herd growth and ensures an adequate supply of beef to meat processing plants around the world. To provide millions of tons of meat per year, this cow farm raises 1,000 cows, herd requiring strict and professional management. To effectively manage and take care of a care process herd of 1,000 cattle, it is necessary to have a team of experienced and dedicated staff. The herd is divided into small groups for easy management, and monitoring of each animal's health care includes regular checkups, and vaccinations, the living conditions and environment also need to be taken care of. The barns and grazing grounds are clean and airy to ensure the best development and growth of the livestock. In order to produce fresh and high-quality meat for the international market, livestock must be raised and freed and grazed in the wild. Free grazing allows cattle to develop strong immunity and avoid disease. Now let's look at the largest beef grading and processing plant in the United States. Here, professional staff perform the slaughter process with delicate techniques to ensure the most comfortable animals in minimal pain. Then the beef is transferred to the processing line. The process involves removing unused portions and sorting meat into different categories such as cut steaks, and ground beef. Each type of meat is then packaged and labeled according to food quality and safety standards. The processing line also treats waste from the slaughter and processing process to ensure a clean, non-polluting environment. With this modern processing line, the factory can process 1,000 U.S. cows per day, supplying a large amount of beef to the international market and major supermarkets. The entire process of slaughtering and processing American beef at the factory is supervised and inspected by the Food Quality Management Agency to ensure compliance with food safety regulations and product quality standards products. Next, let's explore the vacuum packaging technology for us beef with the FlowVac registered trademark system, a giant leap forward in the food processing and meat preservation industry. The system uses state-of-the-art vacuum packing food packaging methods, which ensure that air and bacteria cannot come into contact with the surface of the meat. This eliminates air, prevents bacterial exposure, and maintains the freshness and shelf life of the meat. Vacuum packaging preserves American beef without chemical preservatives, preserving the natural flavor and nutritional value. Furthermore, the FlowVac registered trademark system reduces food waste and saves storage space. Interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to update the behind-the-scenes processes of breeding and special food processing. Now let's journey to another meat processing plant in Australia, where the industry is considered a global leader. At this stage, the beef continues to undergo preliminary processing and processing to ensure quality. Once Australian beef reaches the second stage, it undergoes inspection and grading based on variety, weight, and quality. Next steps include removing unused parts, cleaning thoroughly, and preparing the meat. The process of dividing meat is done professionally and meticulously. Beef is divided into different sections: bones, steaks, minced meat, and other processed products. Now let's explore one of the largest meat importers in the United States. Here, they supply top quality American beef that meets the highest standards and is supplied for export to the European market. Meat sells for a premium around $100 for 10 kilos of fine American beef. Thank you very much to the audience who watched the introduction video of Modern American Beef Processing Factory, vertical bar production line, and processing technology. We hope you have enjoyed these remarkable and inspiring glimpses into the beef making process at this state-of-the-art facility. We assure you that we will continue to provide engaging content in the future. Thank you very much for your support, and please join us as we continue to explore the livestock and food processing industry.